Hi again, and thank you so much for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. If you haven't watched any of our videos just yet, this video here, this is actually one of our training videos. This is one of our most recent clients, Treasure Valley EcoWash. We actually make a demo video for them. Therefore, they can utilize this on their website for the end users shopping them. And it's just a great little production in which you don't have to go out and invest in that. This is also covered in our Kickstarter package. And with that said, if you're thinking about doing this business and you haven't yet visited EcoWash Industries, please do take a look at the website. A lot of great literature, a lot of good information there, videos. What really separates EcoWash Industries from the others out there is we still are a company who's actively out there soliciting municipalities working in the solid waste industry to capture the residual, the reoccurring business of solid waste container maintenance. In fact, we're one of the only companies selling these trucks who actually have gone out and procured our own municipalities and actually do the contracts. This is very important. The vendor you're shopping, as they're trying to sell you a product, make sure you ask that question: how many contracts have you procured in the time you've been in this industry? Because if they have not yet procured their own municipalities, well then how are they going to teach you to go out and do such if they have not yet procured their own? Here at EcoWash Industries, there's no hidden fees. With our Kickstarter package, it's guaranteed to give you the best value with the truck itself, the vehicle, including the equipment, on top of the extra value with logo design, web development. We also do the wrap, the custom wrap for you. That's also part of the package. We throw in 10,000 flyers, just some handout material to have as you start your business. The extra accommodations, in which, again, being very generous of flying you into Arizona, putting you in a hotel, renting you a car to be here for training. We give you 2 round-trip tickets. Not gonna find that kind of value anywhere with any other vendor out there. Again, we want to build leaders in this industry. It's something we set out to do from the very beginning, is to create relationships, not just with inspired entrepreneurs, people who want to do this business, but in the trash industry itself. What I found in being in this business just under 4 years now on the service side, and again, being fortunate to be in front of this industry of trash solid waste maintenance, the relationships I've built over the years with past CEOs of companies and helping my company understand the trash logistics is truly what got us ahead of our competitors today. We pass all that know-how onto our clients and our team, in which we call the EcoWash Group. We're not a franchise, but we are here to work together, not against each other. We want to see this industry grow and scale, and there's more than enough room for other companies out there to get into this business early on and help this service become normal in the solid waste industry. That's our ultimate goal. Again, I really do appreciate your time. Feel free to give us a call anytime. My number is 480-789-0931, or feel free to visit ecowashindustries.com. Again, a lot of great literature there. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.